आपका नया गाना आया है. We saw it, and generally there's a lot of like triumph, right, when you listen to a new song. This one straight away spoke here, and we became a little silent and quietly heard it and heard it again because I really liked it.
Oh, thank you.
So I'd let you now to tell us the process. It's clearly something which is very special, जो सीधा आपके दिल से आया है. How did you create it?
So see, as a playback singer or as a film music के लिए वो I would get a composition film का situation and all and I'll sing it, but this is extremely personal. It's ये गाना आया है after a journey of 7-8 years of struggle in life, major ones, and then एक moment आया जब suddenly I felt I'm healing. I realized that I'm healing because I had a crush on a guy. And I was like, oh man, my heart is open again. And that's when instantly it happened. And in 5 minutes, the song structure was ready from the bathroom. Bathroom mein ho ye gana.
Like all great ideas. ये वहीं पे.
I shouldn't be saying it with so much
No, it's
details. But हाँ, वो उधर से नीचे लॉबी तक लिफ्ट में पहुंचते पहुंचते in Kolkata itself.
गाना ready था आपके
Yes,
लिए.
the structure was ready. The thought already was there because it came from that beautiful butterfly that I had when I was getting ready for my gig. And I was like, oh, I like this guy. And then I'm like, oh man, I'm liking someone that's like, I've opened my heart out again. That's how the song happened. That's the process. And then, of course, Kunal Verma was a dear friend who also was aware of my journey in the past few years, which is, again, too personal to immediately talk about. But so, उसको जब मैंने बोला कि एक, like, it's like once again I'm feeling the things that I stopped feeling, or there's this joy I've not felt for quite a few years. Suddenly, this joy of having a crush or liking a guy, just that.
Yeah.
It's not about the guy, it's not about the crush. That crush never happened, it never turned to anything. But that moment of that realization was very special. So I told him, and he understood, and he wrote Ek Baar Phir, which is basically finding hope and love again in some form. So yeah, healing.
It's so beautiful.
So
It is amazing. It's beautiful, and I want to tell you, remember the 90s when music videos were a big thing, like we'd want to watch music videos. I thought this video was also so
liked it?
nicely done, so
you.
different that you feel like watching it as well.
Oh, I'm so happy.
You know,
my family is there in the video.
I didn't notice though.
So
they were. I felt. I almost felt like there was something, but
it'll be difficult for people to initially understand. I think because story, it's the music video is not about a love story.
That I forget.
Yeah, it is not about a love story, but you'll see my boy, who is one of the major ones who has helped me heal. That is my dog Aki, and his elder brother is no more. Otherwise, he would have also featured Daichi. So Aki is there. My sister is there. My sister's son, my nephew, is like a dear friend of mine. Although we have such a huge gap, and my Mossy, because Mossy was taking care of me for so many years, and my mom is no more, so couldn't.
So that lady is your Mossy.
My Mossy. Okay. So she's so and there would have been more family people, but we suddenly decided to do it like this way, and the other people were like not well, they were senior. So that's there's no boy, there's nothing like that.
It conveyed, like even if we couldn't identify the exact people, but one can easily make out it's a very different and a very special video as well.
Thank you.
तो एक तो इन्होंने बड़े प्यार से गिगल करते हुए और थोड़ा ब्लश करते हुए बोल दिया था, this boy who came into my life.
Nobody came into my life. It was just me seeing I had a crush and bye bye.
बस crush नहीं ये कर. Oh my God.
अच्छा वो एक crush की वजह से realization हुआ, एक गाना आया. Now I'm here promoting it, talking about it. So nice.
How cool. What are the sort of practical pressures that singers or artists today face? Is that something that you also dealt with? कि ये insta worthy है या नहीं, ये will it be catchy? Do I have to tick a certain few boxes? Like, do these things come up?
Those things do come up, but I think अगर सिर्फ algorithm पे ही खेलेंगे तो वो true नहीं होगा ना, because art form को अगर हम algorithm में डाल देंगे तो math हो जाता है. Which is all about rationality and logic, where art form does not have that. So we are gonna miss out on the magic. So somewhere I think वो balance रखना ज़रूरी है, but following the algorithm cannot be the way to create. And I think there are many songs जिसका duration ज़्यादा है. See again, जो गानों को हम उस पर्पस से बनाएंगे कि हाँ उनको उधर कैच करना, वो गाने वैसे ही वहाँ तक के ही रहेंगे, उतने ही रहेंगे. गाना या any say a film or anything that we are creating, any artist creates or a painting, anything for that matter, वो हम उसको वो मैप में नहीं डाल सकते. It has to be true, real, मतलब whatever you are saying,
and authentic comes from a place of,
authentic. Yes, correct. Authenticity is so important. तो उसके बाद खेलो ना एल्गोरिदम उसमें से. I think गाना अच्छा होना, any which way you need a good structure and a tight structure. So वो हो जाता है तो automatically I think everything falls in place.
Lovely sari that you're wearing.
Thank you
I
very
was
much.
telling her, अगर मुझे पता होता and like it happens, ओ तू साड़ी पहन रही तो मैं भी साड़ी पहन के आती तो मैं ऐसा कर
मैं लेके आती क्योंकि घर का है. Yeah, this is from my brand. I'm going to launch.
How cool!
Yes.
So here's somebody who's wearing many hats and leading her life with all rhythm and beat intact. You're a singer. You're an actor जो इतनी जिनकी performance की तारीफ हुई है, and now you're becoming an entrepreneur, businesswoman.
See, running a career is almost like running a business. So no, see, we have Bangali from West Bengal. West Bengal के गांव में जो है ना खजाने, और पूरे देश में जो खजाने हैं, I think you will also agree. I love handlooms. Yeah, I love Indian textile.
And they deserve a global platform. Otherwise, people will do what Prada did, which is not fair. हमारी चप्पल हमें म्याऊं नहीं हो सकता है.
बहुत funny था बट वो इतना. और मैं ना एक्चुअली मैं आई आल्सो डू स्टे इन स्विट्जरलैंड ना, तो मैंने देखा, मैं सिर्फ ये अभी वायरल हो गया है. देयर आर अदर थिंग्स आल्सो जो मैं सोचती हे भगवान, ये हमारे फुलिया चले गए, ये हमारे इधर चले गए, उधर चले, ये इसको इसमें बेच रहे, भगवान. मैं ऐसे करती थी, लाखों में बेचे. सो या
यू एब्सोल्युटली राइट.
Yeah.
एंड सिंस आप इतना वक्त आउट ऑफ इंडिया भी रहती हैं, तो turmeric latte,
Oh my
chai tea, like
चाय लाते, चाय दिस में गए बे, दूध बिना ढंग से बनाओ, fancy नाम देके, it's horrible. Anyway, but this is Thakurain. I mean, if I would have known, I genuinely would have, because that's exactly what I want, girls. I think sari is back, and how?
And Pujo in the
Pujo is
excuse me, two Bengali.
मैं भेज दूंगी. Thakurain will reach you very soon.
How cute. Okay, that was not the intent, but I'd love
so
to
nice.
wear this. This is a lovely combination. You're looking amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, हम थोड़ा reverse gear में जाएंगे. And Monali, you were one of those, the first music reality show. I think you were in the second
Yes.
edition, and we all remember seeing you there, and from there to here, to also judging music reality shows. Like your life has literally come a full circle. Tell me, us waqt, and since you are from a Bengali family, I can understand. Father celebrated music person. छोटा वाला थे के गान and all of that, dance, all those things. So you knew heart of heart that this is what I want to do.
Yeah, I always knew I will never do 9 to 5 job, for sure.
So you knew what you didn't want to do.
Despite that, I took up physics honors and then had to cancel that because
I read that and I was like, "Ita kitu thik question hai."
Bengali is the issue. We have to be academical. We have to be this and that.
Were
everything.
you good in physics?
No, actually I was not. I was good in mathematics and I was good in chemistry.